I've talked to people who've gone through trauma या बहुत maybe addiction, and उन्होंने एक चीज़ बोली थी that it's that point and moment when you realize the pain
Yeah.
is more
Yeah.
than the pleasure
Yeah.
that addiction is giving you. मतलब वो pain इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है that you can't go through it anymore, that you have no other chance, no other choice but to turn around.
That's right.
I think, and that really stayed with me कि हम ना
That's
लगते हैं कि externally कुछ करें, but ultimately the power is all within. It's about looking inside, seeing it, and
So then the pain also was a transformation agent, wasn't it?
to become and to unleash
Yes.
you as a
Yes.
person.
Yes.
And finally this concept of motherhood is, I'm a mother myself. Noor 13 years, Zahan 10 years, and I think for me it's a beautiful journey जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है मेरे को एक opportunity मिली है to like you said, think about someone else, और दूसरों को देखने में शायद आप अपनी power, और you stop being selfish, self-centered. It helps you grow. But when I look at parenting in today's age, I see children being anxious. I see कि काफ़ी बार हम बच्चों को शायद chaos दे रहे हैं अपना, and they're inheriting maybe our own imbalances at some level. So what are some of the principles that we should be looking at parenting or motherhood, or bringing these young ones into the world?
First of all, the parents need to let go of the pressure that they need to be perfect parents. Let go of the pressure that you have to raise a perfect child. No. Try to be a happy parent and try to raise a happy child, not a trophy child. This is not a competition that my child is better than you or I'm a better mother than you, because that will mess you up as a parent and it'll mess up your child. Parents today are extremely competitive.
जी
कि नहीं हम तो बेस्ट स्कूल में भेजेंगे, बेस्ट कॉलेज में बेस्ट का बेस्ट एजुकेशन चाहिए, हर चीज़ मतलब आईफोन भी चाहिए तो बेस्ट चाहिए. अरे भाई, तुम्हारे बच्चे को आईफोन की नहीं, तुम्हारे बच्चे को मी टाइम की ज़रूरत है तुम्हारे साथ. लेकिन तुम मी टाइम नहीं देना चाहते तो तुम आईफोन पकड़ा देते हो. या अगर हम लोग बोलते हैं कि आप अपने बच्चे के साथ स्पोर्ट खेलो, हम स्पोर्ट क्लास में डालेंगे और फिर वहाँ पे वो पेरेंट्स इतने एंग्शियस होते कि नहीं मेरा बच्चा हैज़ टू बी द बेस्ट ओवर हियर. और जब बच्चा बेस्ट नहीं करता ना तो पेरेंट्स का मुंह इतना छोटा हो जाता है. नाउ द चाइल्ड लर्न्स दैट ओ माय गॉड, दिस मेड माय पेरेंट्स अपसेट, आई कांट हैव देम अपसेट. So now I try to make sure other people lose and I win. That's the biggest problem with this generation. That they in fact enjoy making sure that other people lose so that they can win. And that's what a spiritual principle of parenting is. Nobody has to lose for you to win. You can all win together. And instead of instilling top, this is my child is at the top, instill that my child is a magnet for everybody. My child brings in love. My child brings in sensitivity. My child brings in empathy. My child brings in softness.
Wow.
There is no softness in the world today. Everything is cutthroat. There are 12, 13, 14, 15-year-old kids who are committing suicide because of other 12, 13, 14, 15-year-old kids. How brutal is that? That the soft ones are often eaten up by the sharks. By a 12-year-old shark. What are you teaching your child? How are you going to face God? How are you going to face yourself? There is a lack of etiquette. There is a lack of manners. There is a lack of empathy. Pure show off. That if you don't stop that as a parent, you're going to raise the next entitled narcissistic brat. And that's not a gift to the planet.